Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Nessus on Kali Linux 2025.2. First verify whether we have the Nessus comes as the pre-installed application or not. See here we don't have Nessus. Okay, so open the default web browser, that is Firefox. Then go to Google or any search engine and search for Nessus download. Then click on this enable Nessus Essentials vulnerability scanner. Then we have to register to get the activation code. Okay, and we are going to register for 1 year for the essential license. So provide the name, provide email, then if you want to receive the updates from the tenable, you have to select the checkbox. Then click on get started. Then we will receive email for the activation. See, thank you for registering Nessus Essentials. Check your email for activation code. Let me maximize it. Then click on download. Then see here the latest release is 10.8.4. Okay, then select the operating system. Search for Debian. See here we have the Debian 11.12 Kali Linux. So select it. Then click on download. Then select the I agree. See, download started and its size is, wait until download completes. And see here its size is 70.8 megabytes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Now go to downloads directly, cd downloads, ls. See here we have the Nessus 10.8.4 Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg -i, then give Nessus, give the tab, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, it is installing Nessus 10.8.4. See, we have successfully installed. Now copy this link and configure this scanner. So copy it, selection, new tab, paste it, hit enter. See, unable to connect because we have to start the Nessus service. So first verify the Nessus service. Sudo systemctl status Nessus is the service name. Okay, hit enter. See, we have installed Nessus, that is the Nessus vulnerability scanner, but it is not started and enabled. So start it, q to quit, start sudo systemctl start Nessus, hit enter. Now verify the status. See, Nessus is running. Okay, also start it, also enable it, q to quit, sudo systemctl enable Nessus, hit enter. Now verify the status. See, we have started the Nessus service and it is enabled, q to quit. Now reload this page or click on try again. See, this is warning. So click on advanced, then scroll down, then click on this accept the risk and continue. Wait a moment, it is initializing the Nessus. Now see here, welcome to Nessus. You can click settings to configure Nessus proxy, plugin feed and encryption password settings before you start the installation, or you can select the register offline to continue an offline installation. Okay, so I don't want offline, so don't select this register offline, then click on continue. Now select the Nessus expert, then click on continue. Now see here, to start Nessus expert trial, please provide the business email address. Okay, skip this one because I have already installed. Now we have to provide the activation code that we have received to the registered email. See, okay, so go to email. See, I have received this activation code. This is not same for you. Okay, so provide this activation code. Once you provide the activation code, then click on continue. See, this is the activation code. Verify one more time and click on continue. Now create a Nessus administrator user account. Use this username and password to log into Nessus. So I am giving Nessus admin. It can be anything. Then provide the password. Remember this username and password. Later we need this username and password to log in. Then click on submit. Not now. See, now it is initializing the Nessus and it is downloading the plugins. This will take time. Okay. See, it is downloading completed, and also see here plugins are still compiling, and Nessus functionality will be limited until compilation is complete. Okay. In meantime, see here we have the folders like MyScan, AllScans, Trash, and Resources, Policies, Plugin Rules, and TerraScan. Okay. Then go to Settings. See here we have installed Nessus version 10.8.4 and license source 0 of 16 users. And see here this is the license expiration date. This is the template version. This is the activation code. Okay. If you want to upgrade to professional, you have to click on here Nessus expert. Okay. So go to license utilization. It will be 0. See, because we haven't used anything. Then software updates. If you want to update all components or update plugins are disabled, you can select these options. If you want to, suppose if you want to update all components, here we have the update frequency like daily, weekly, or monthly. Then we have to select the server information. Okay, I am not going to do anything. Then click on plugin detail locally. See, if you want to enable plugin locally, you have to select the checkbox. Then you have to click on save events. See, these are the events happen. Okay. Now click on this Nessus admin, the user that we have created. Click on it. Click on it. Go to my account. Then if you want to change the password, you have to provide the current password and new password. And if you want to add the email address for this one, you have to provide here. Okay. Go to API keys. If you want to generate API key, you have to click on here. And see here, if you select settings, see here we have the advanced proxy server, SMT server, custom CA, password management, scanner health, and notifications. Okay. See, these are the password constraints. Now go to terminal, Control A. Now stop the Nessus D, sudo systemctl stop Nessus D. Hit enter. Now verify the status, sudo systemctl. See, in the background establishing connection, because we have stopped, so it is disconnected. CTL status Nessus D. It is typo. See, Nessus service is stopped. Okay. Q to quit, Control A. Now reload this page. See, unable to connect. Okay, to connect, Nessus service must be up and running. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start Nessus D. Now verify the status. See, Nessus is started. Okay, if we reload this page, okay, now we have to provide the username that we have created. Then provide the password. Then click on sign in. See, we have successfully logged in. Also notice here, I have given the host name. You can also give the local host because Nessus is installed on this one. Local host with the port number 8834. Hit enter. It is 8834. We have to give HTTPS. Again click on advanced, then scroll down, then click on accept the risk and continue. See, we got the same. See, we have successfully logged in with localhost. Even we can also log in with loopback IP, that is 127.0.0.1, port number 8834. But at start give HTTPS. See, you got the same login page. Click on advanced, then select the accept and risk. Then we will receive the login page. Okay. So go to terminal. ls, this file is not recorded anymore because we have successfully installed. rm, give Nessus, give the tab, hit enter. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Nessus 10.8.4 on Kali Linux 2025.2. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.